Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. This is your Monday slideshow review. So please sit back and relax and listen to what you're going to do today. All right, let's get started. You know the deal. You clicked on this, you're listening to me right now. Good job. Make sure you are reading every day for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Table of contents. Your learning goal for the week. Here we go. Students will identify similarities and differences of details in order to determine patterns in behavior of parents and offspring that help offspring survive. So let's talk about that word offspring. That is a tough word right now. You might not know what it means. So we are going to talk about it. Offspring means a child or a parent's child. So you are your parent's offspring. Okay? Easy peasy, right? So offspring means a young or a child of a parent. So offspring, okay? That word is going to come up more often throughout this week. So please make sure you know what that means. All right, success criteria for reading. The student can determine the main topic after reading an informational text. The student can identify key details that support the main topic of the text. The student can identify a focus detail and another focus detail in a text, and the student can describe the connection between the two details in a text. Same old, same old. All right, writing success criteria. I'm going to give you a spoiler alert. This week you don't have a writing assignment. However, there is a piece here that you need to focus on, so listen closely. You ready? The student can state an opinion and give a reason for this opinion about a topic in writing. The student can provide some sense of closure when sharing an opinion in writing. The student can recall information from experiences to answer questions in writing. And this is your one for the week. This is the one I want you to really focus on this week. Okay. The student can gather information from provided sources to answer a question in writing. So, this bad boy right here, this last one is your focus for writing this week. Okay. We are gathering information. All right, let's go to science. The student can use grade level books and other reliable media to gather scientific information about patterns of behavior of parents and offspring. Remember, we talked about that word offspring. So, we're really looking at the patterns and behavior of parents and their young, their children, offspring. All right, already went over the learning goal. Here is your essential question for today. How are young animals alike and different from their parents? All right, so think about that. Today, we will explore an interactive ebook and read a nonfiction text in order to find the main topic and key details of the text. So, before we get there, we're going to talk about our end goal. At the end of this 2 week learning experience, you're going to be completing this assignment. And what will go with this is your opinion writing. Okay, so throughout these slides this week, throughout the slides for next week, you need to keep this in mind. You are not completing this activity this week. You are completing it at the end goal, end of next week. Okay, so just keep in mind, go over this, keep in mind what it is. Let's talk about it. It says, this is a meep, a pretend baby animal. Your job is to be a pretend parent and make a plan to take care of it. Meeps are mammals that live in the forest and eat nuts and berries as adults. What will it need to be safe and grow? And then it tells you what you need to do. Again, do not complete this week. If you complete it this week, you will not get a very good grade. Plus, it's not on Google Classroom for you to turn in yet. So, what I need you to do is just keep this in mind while you work this week, okay? Because we're going to be talking about shelter and how to protect how parents protect their young and how they will feed it and how will it live in the wild. Think about all those things when we're going over these things this week, okay? First thing you're going to do today, you're going to get on an interactive ebook called Help Me Grow. So if you look here, you're going to start on page 1 and stop on page 5. We are only doing part 1 today. This is what page 1 looks like. So click on it, click on the link. And this one is kind of glitchy, I guess is the word. It's a little annoying. So when you click the arrow, you have to click it twice every time. And it's really annoying, and I'm really sorry about it. But I mean, it's like first world problems because we should be thankful that we have technology to help us learn right now. All right, so you're going to go through this. You're going to start on page 1, and like I said, stop on page 5. Yes, page 5. Please make sure you go through and you interact with everything and you do all of the activities that go with it, okay? Because it's going to be important for later, like, when you do your MEEP activity, okay? So there's that. Then in your packet that you received in the mail, you should have gotten a text called Animal Kids. Okay, so you're going to grab that text. If you did not receive it in the packet, then I will have it on Google Classroom for you to use. What you're going to do is click on this link right here, and you will be able to read it with me. I am reading it in a video with you, and here you can read it on your own if you use the one in your packet or the one I put on Google Classroom. After we read that, then you are going to complete choice box number 1 or a description text structure. It's the same thing for that text. You need to find the main topic and the key details for the text Animal Kids. And if you look, there was a mistake. I crossed out babies and I made it kids because the text is called Animal Kids. Remember, for a description text structure, you have your main topic and then your key details on the outside. If you choose to do so, you can highlight in the text. So you would highlight the main topic and then underline the key details with your pencil. Okay, let's go ahead and look at that assignment quick. So I don't have it set up yet on the days, but they still are here. So you'll be able to see the same, have the same title. Okay, so we're going to ELA 511 description text structure. And again, I've got it done for you. In this box, you're putting your main topic. What was the text mostly about? And then again, you only have 3 key details. What are the 3 details that support that main topic? Some of us are having some trouble. Make sure your details connect to that topic. So if you say that the main topic is about French toast, then you have to tell me things about French toast, okay? So you can't talk about waffles, if that makes sense. You need to make sure that if the main topic is about something, your key details have to connect to that main topic, okay? So there are 3 key details for you to complete. And that's everything. That should be pretty easy because you've done that before. And that is all for Monday. So easy peasy, not too much because there's only 5 pages in that interactive ebook. But if you have any questions, please let me know and I will help you as best I can. All right, guys, talk to you tomorrow.